Welcome back to Beginner's Choice. In our last video, we studied how to type an article in MS Word. From today, we are going to study about different formatting options. How to make those articles beautiful by adding colors, aligning into right, left, center properly. So all those things we will be starting from today. Formatting of documents in Microsoft Word. So in the last video, we saw how to open a Word document, all those things we learned in the last video. So if anyone is seeing it for the first time, our videos, just subscribe our channel. Then you can see all the videos. So we will be starting now. We are first going to see how to align a sentence to right, left and center. Once you open the Microsoft Office Word, you can see the cursor blinking at the left side of the window. So normally it's the pre-formatted thing. It will start from the left. So you can start typing a sentence. We are formatting this document. I am going to learn it today. You can write anything, okay? I am just writing. This is MS Word. I am happy to learn MS Word. Whatever you just feel, you can just type it. This red color underline shows the spelling mistakes. Now I am not telling about it now. I will see how to change that in the next videos. So just whatever article you want to type, think you are typing that. Okay, fine. Now we will see how to right align, left align and center it first. Automatically whatever you type will be coming in the left because you can see here 4 alignment options available. Left alignment will be the automatically selected one. This is our left aligned option. If you want to change it to the center alignment, select whatever you want to align, click on the center option. You can see the change in the document. It is center alignment. If you want to right align it, click on this option and it will be right aligned. Then if you want this particular thing to be justified in a format known as justified, length of each line will be same. But in the case of right, left and center, you can see change in the length of the lines. But if it is justified, line starting and ending length will be same. Hope this much is clear. Right, left, center and justified alignments. For writing, okay, for writing the documents, for typing the documents. Okay. Now I will show how to make a letter bold. I want this particular letter document to be more darker. So just select it by clicking and dragging. Click and select that particular word which you want to be made little more dark. Then click on the option B in the menu bar. You can see that particular word is more darker. So that is known as bold, making a word or a sentence bold. Just select it. I am going to make this today also bold. Select it, click on bold. Done. If I want to make this particular word italic, click on the next option near B, I. So you can see it slanting. Just I am making this particular word italic. Selected it, clicked I. It is now italic. And if I want to make this particular word underlined, select it, click on the option U in the menu bar. You can see the underline here. Here near that you can see arrow mark. Which kind of underline you want? So if I want double underline, I click that. You can see a double underline is under the particular word. So this is how to make a word or a sentence bold, italic and underlined. If I want this particular sentence to be bold, select it and click on that B option. It will be bold. Hope you understood bold, italic and underlined option also. So this particular paragraph is having the word size of 11. So if I want to change it to a lower or the bigger size, there is a option. Above bold, italic and underline option in the menu bar, you can see font size and font type. So I'll first show how to change the size. So I told it is of the size 11 because you can see it is written 11 here in this particular box. So if you want to change it to the higher sizes, click this arrow mark. You can see. So I am making 11 to 24. So our paragraph is of the size now 24. Each alphabet is of the size 24. If I want it 13, you can click the arrow mark and choose. Otherwise, you can just click backspace whatever in that box and you can type the size you want and it will be changed to that size. One thing you have to notice, before doing anything, you have to select that particular thing. You have to select that particular sentence or word, whatever you want to change the size. So this is how to change the size of a Word document article. Then next one is font type. There are many types available in this by the predefined package. Now it is Calibri. I want to change it to Times New Roman. So I am going to change it to Times New Roman. Just scroll down after clicking the arrow mark. Then in the alphabetic order it will be written. Yeah, Times New Roman. You can see the change in the font type. I am again changing it to something like this. Yeah, stencil. You can change you can see the change, or I am again changing, so I am doing it again to show the change. This option, the word type was changed, so whatever is the type that you are preferring, you can choose that. So that is it. Hope you understood this much. Please revise it. Have a nice day. Thank you.